Hey guys, today we're going to do a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A15 and you want to make a first time setup of your device, let's see how can do this. First of all, you'll get the welcome screen just like this. And here you just have to select your device language which you want. Just select the language here, and here you'll get a lot of languages. You can easily select one of them. As I have selected English United Kingdom, just select it, then select OK from here. Then select start to start your setup. And here you'll get this tab screen which is for your review. You just have to accept or agree to them all. These are end user license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. Just agree to them all. Then select agree in the bottom right corner. And here you will get the this tab screen which is easy setup with another device. If user is using any device before this one, you can easily use that to make an easy setup. So let's see how. Here you have two options, which is Galaxy or Android. If you're using any Galaxy or Android phone, you can easily use that. Just click on it and then scan the QR code to uh, transfer your whole data. And here's the iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone, you can easily use your phone to easy setup. But I'm going to set up manually. Just select the third option. And here just use the Wi-Fi network and then enter the Wi-Fi password to connect with your Wi-Fi. Just like this. Then select connect from here. After connected to the internet, you just have to select next in the bottom right corner. And here you will get this type screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. So it's getting your phone ready. It may take a few minutes. You just have to wait for it until it's loading. And after that we'll continue. So just wait for it. So after that, you'll get this tab screen, which is copy apps and data. If you're using any phone, you can use your every app, data, your Google accounts, contacts, photos, videos, and much more. You can easily select next from here if you want. But I'm going to select don't copy from here, and then you will get this app screen, which is checking info. You just have to wait for its loading, and after that, you just have to sign into your Google account. So here your Google sign in screen here, you just have to log in your account if you have, but if you won't have an account, just select create account to create one for you. But I'm going to skip this one. Just select skip from here, and here your protect phone. If you want to protect your phone with your face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, or password, you can easily set up here. But I'm going to skip and set up later in setting. Just select skip from here, and here's some Google services. You might have to accept them, and after that you will get this screen. You just have to wait for until it's loading. And here your Samsung account setup. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here with your email, phone number, or any QR code. But if you won't have any account, or if you have forgotten your password, you just have to select the third option, which is forgot password or don't have any account. Just select this one. And here, if you have forgotten password, you can easily recover that. If you have forgotten your ID, you can easily recover that. But if you won't have an account, just select create account to create a new one for you. But I'm going to set up the later in setting. Just select this one and here skip from it. And here's some terms and condition of your phone. You must have to select all from here, then select agree in the bottom right corner. And here's some Samsung services. You might have to accept them. And here's your display mode, which you want is light and dark, which you want to select. I'm going to select light from here. Then select next, and here just wait for its loading. And after that you are all set up. You just have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A15. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.